We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT browser and make the most of its features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button in the top right corner. Click on that and enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking on the sign up link and following the prompts to set up your email and password. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main ChatGPT interface. To start a conversation, look for the text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type in your question or prompt and press enter. The generative AI will respond in a conversational manner. If you want to refine your conversation or ask a follow-up question, just continue typing in the same text box. You can also adjust the settings to customize your experience. To do this, click on the settings icon, usually found next to your profile picture. Here, you can change preferences like theme mode or notification settings. If you want to save a conversation or use one as a reference later, you can click on the save icon, often represented as a bookmark or folder. To access saved conversations, go to your profile and find the saved items section. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring more advanced features, look for the options or help menu, where you can find tutorials and guides on using ChatGPT's advanced functions. Remember, the more you interact, the better the AI understands your preferences and can provide more personalized responses. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.